In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on keyboard shortcuts in Bluebeam. So by default, you should have keyboard shortcuts turned on automatically. However, if it's not working for you for some reason, you want to go to the top left and click on Review, and here you want to click on keyboard shortcuts. Now in here, you can start by trying out by clicking Restore Defaults, and it's going to restore the default keyboard shortcuts over here, or you could go ahead and just basically select these functions, select the one that you want a custom shortcut for, and then you'll be able to go ahead and of course reassign in case it's possible for that specific shortcut. Okay, so just click on it, click on down here. You can then change it, for example, to something else, and you can reassign it. Okay, but of course, if that's already used by a different function, you won't be able to do it like this. Now that's basically how you enable these and how you actually change them if you want to. However, if for some reason it's still not working for you, what you can try is one more thing. So you want to go to Review up top left over here, and then you want to go into Preferences, or just, of course, you can access this by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Then you want to go over here on the left hand side where you can see Tools, click on that, and then you want to click on Forms up top. Now in here you could try enabling single key shortcuts over here and then pressing OK, and that could help you out in case some things are not working. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.